Hey everybody, really quick, I'm going to show you where you could tap into switched power for your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Random Fix. So I got a 907 Sprinter 2019 and newer, and if you need a switched ignition power source, this is it right here. This is the perfect line to go and run to your relays. You don't want to actually put a load on this. The one in the middle here is constant, and the one on the left is for smart alternators. So if you have a DC to DC charger you're using, this is what you're looking for. And once you get your signal wire, there are going to be a ton of 12 volt leads down here that you could tap into, and this is a good idea to do and run a wire from the driver's side to the passenger side, as there's actually a small tunnel underneath. And I fished this wire through there, and I'm going to attach the wire and snake it back. And this is a perfect time to go and inspect your battery as well. As you guys may know, these Sprinters are infamous for dead batteries, and they do have a lot of electronics, and even if you shut that off, you might still be experiencing a dead battery. And I found out in my vehicle the hard way that there's a tracking device on it right here. So I was pretty pissed. I've had this car for 1 month and I bought a brand new. Called the dealership. They had left everything loose on top of that. So I'm going to disconnect this, as this is not OEM and this is running 24 hours a day. It is not running through any kind of switched accessory port, and this is really disturbing. So I hope you guys learned a little bit from this video. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to learn how to wire up your Sprinter, or how to use relays and the power from this particular port, go ahead and check out the video links down below. And if you're interested in figuring out how I got access to the driver's side seat and got the seat off safely without triggering airbag light, check the links down below on the seat swivel video, as I'm installing some seat swivels and I got them for about $100. So check it out. Thanks again, guys. Make it a great day. Hey everybody, it's been a while since I recorded this video. I am just finally getting around to editing it. So you can also get power from the fuses. So on your VS30, fuse number 43 is going to be the cigarette lighter. This is actually turned on only when the ignition is on. It's located right here on the side of the base. There, that's a cigarette lighter port, and you can get it from there, and that's a great alternative as well. Again, make sure you put a fuse on there if you decide to go tap into power. And if you guys want to check out my whole van powering video, I will leave you guys links to that down below. As always, guys, make it a great day. Thanks.